Hey guys, we're Evan and Katelyn. Today we're going to be doing a slightly different video. I will be doing Katelyn's makeup.
To make me look like a zombie.
Because that's what normal people do.
In the middle of May.
We're doing this for an intro for one of our upcoming videos.
You've already seen it at this point?
Yes. And I thought it'd be interesting to record the process. Wish me luck. All right, Katelyn, what do we have to work with?
Not much. We have some black and white makeup from a previous Halloween, some brown eyeshadow, some other browns, some more brown, some more brown, some more brown. So if you need anything else, we should probably go to the store.
Katelyn, are we booty gurus now?
Yes. What colors do you need? Red?
Red?
Like greenish?
Yes.
Okay, I'm asking you.
Yes, I want like red detail and then red powder. What's that?
Nail polish. We're not putting that on my face.
What about this?
That's pink. That's not red.
Right. This one actually is pretty good. I mean, that's fairly red.
That's pink. This is kind of like a bloody red. Like that?
Yeah, that sounds good.
I realized that if we're gonna do this, we need to like fully commit to it and be sure that we can finish it before dinner. Like this and the intro scene that we need to film.
I thought this was only gonna take like 15 minutes.
Well, this is gonna take like 40 minutes. I feel like you're overestimating your skills.
I think you're underestimating how good I'm gonna make this. You only need 15 minutes when I'm this skilled.
Okay. So we're starting with a clean face. I have no makeup on. Do you want to do anything to... Nope, you're just gonna go at it? Okay.
So I don't know whether I should do the details first and then like spread them out, or should I do like the general colors and shadowing?
I mean, how would you do a painting? Just like imagine this.
Do the general things
art.
first. It is art. Do the general things and then the details?
Sure.
Okay, I'll do that.
I know you want to use that little stick.
I want to use it. I was gonna do red.
Okay.
Oh no, I'll do black.
Okay. Here, I'm just gonna do like a powder so that it doesn't melt off.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
I was gonna do that.
It's just like a clear.
So that's like when you do the white on the canvas beforehand.
Yeah, this is the liquid white.
The liquid white.
A liquid white.
I thought about getting a white, but I was like, you're already pretty white. I don't think I need it. Right, this is gonna be the first time I've ever done
Any type of makeup. And we're starting with zombie.
Look at this. I'm testing.
You booty guru! Look at you!
I'm a booty guru. I'm testing to see how dark it is. All right, you ready?
Yeah, what should I do?
Close your eyes and brace yourself. Yes, just like I imagined. There's like black flakes showing up over here. Oh geez. It's great because I'm just trying to make you look bad. Like make your...
Oh!
No, don't look. Don't look.
It looks like giving my neck a goatee.
Blend this out a little bit.
Do you want a bigger...
Yeah.
A thing?
Yeah. It's just lines. I didn't know it was gonna be that sticky. I thought I'd have more time to blend. Fancy.
I'm gonna wear a black t-shirt. I didn't know you were gonna do the whole palette of this.
There you go. It's a good start, guys. I just want to skip to the fun stuff.
You're gonna mess it up. If you blend over that later. And you can do it, it's up to you. I'll stop intervening. Whatever you feel is best. Go with your heart.
Go with my heart. So this eye, I'm gonna close your eyes. I'm gonna go a little bit red.
Only on one?
Yes. Is this generally how you apply makeup? You just kind of like, no, what am I doing wrong?
I mean, you
besides everything.
It's like if I was applying makeup and I didn't care where the colors were going.
Okay, so shadows, you do it like right here.
You'll find my cheekbones.
Okay, wait, keep on doing that. Keep on doing that. Don't look at the mirror. Don't do it. Don't do it.
What am I into my sideburns?
I'm going for a complete look here. What about that?
It's something. That was a cut crease on my cheek right there.
You know, I thought it was gonna be a good idea to do this with like no reference images. And I'm doubting myself.
It's maybe like, it's kind of straight for a cheekbone, because don't cheekbones like kind of curve?
Okay, so
Maybe like blend that upwards, yeah. Don't put any more pigment. I have like the top of a beard.
I see it now. I just see a beard. Oh, that looks so much better. Yes. Okay, cool.
Yeah. I like how you're not doing things in order. You do like one cheek and then you skip to the eyes.
You know what? I want to like learn all my lessons and then do one side really good. So you can just like
We'll just film this side.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like I feel bad because I know you'd be so much better at this.
You know, that's not the point. The point is this is a fun adventure.
Together. Is that good?
Yeah.
I like how your positive responses are so like have a question mark at the end. Yeah. It's a thing. I'm gonna look up some reference images.
Hey.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's.
Well, that's like glam zombie.
Oh, glam zombie.
We don't. I mean, the intro is like for the zombie weapon. Where I'm chasing you. I need to be scary.
The veins.
Ooh.
The veins are cool.
That's cool.
Okay.
You feel rejuvenated?
I feel something. This does work well as an eraser.
Glad we got a whole pack.
Is that better?
That's a lot better.
Yeah.
Look, that's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like protrudy.
Protrudy.
Yeah, like
that's what I was going for.
Protrudy.
Yeah. Your neck does look like horrible. Isn't that great?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great. Do you want me to do the fishy face?
Yeah. Oh, that's too much. Oh, that's too much.
I feel my cheeks jiggling.
Okay. I think I just need to like fix this now. Fix my earlier mistakes from when I wasn't
When you weren't skilled.
as much of an expert at this. It's interesting that like pushing it at you really makes it like more powder come out. I'm just gonna add more detail now.
Okay.
With red. Okay. Oh yeah, that's cool.
So you're gonna do kind of like veiny lines?
Yeah. No, I broke it.
It looks like a poison zombie.
Oh, you're starting to look pretty creepy.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Alright, ready?
Is it going towards my eye?
Yes.
Okay, do I close it or do I open it?
Whichever you feel most comfortable with.
Where are you putting it?
Right next to your eye.
I'll close it.
Oh, who is she? Oh yeah.
Yeah. Now what?
More.
Okay.
It's like each like one adds like so much. I'm totally worried I'm gonna go too much. I'm just gonna keep on adding lines forever.
Yeah.
Until you're just like red. Just expressing my inner creative freedom.
Nice. So are you gonna, earlier you talked about blending these out. Are you still gonna do that?
I think we're good. Let's go, boys. No, I'm joking. All right, you ready for this?
Yeah. Are you gonna start on a face one? You don't want to start on a neck one?
Yeah, we should probably do that. Yeah, it's great. This red
Oh yeah.
just makes it look like more like
realistic.
inflamed.
Yeah.
And I'm just kind of doing it like to the sides and everything too.
Yeah. So what kind of zombie am I? Am I like, I'm not like Last of Us zombie. Like, what's my story?
It's a government experiment gone wrong.
Oh. What?
So they're trying to create super soldiers.
Oh, yeah. I would be a good candidate.
And
I'm athletic.
I'm laughing because I'm imagining how much more athletic it could be if you were a super soldier. So they're trying to make you immune to pain.
Oh.
Yeah. And they're trying to make you live even like if you got shot multiple times and stuff.
Deadpool.
The experiment worked too well. So now like, so you were a soldier and you got shot and you didn't feel any pain, you kept on going, and then you died and you didn't even realize that you were dead.
Oh.
And like, you just kept on living on. But then your brain started to turn to mush.
Oh, and that's when I started
And then
attacking
that's
other
when you
people.
started attacking other people. Careful.
I can still hear that voice.
Hey guys, we're Evan and Katelyn. Today we're going to be doing a slightly different... Coming from like inside of you, out.
Oh. Oh.
Oh!
I was practicing being a zombie.
Oh. Oh man, that's looking so much more realistic.
Do I look like a zombie or do I look like a veiny person? Like, does this read as zombie? Like in the intro when people won't have the full context of how it evolved?
You look like you got infected by a disease.
Okay. Okay.
What else should I do?
I don't know, look, I'm zombie.
Zombie.
I like that you brush my face like it's an acrylic painting. You're just like going at it.
Am I going too hard?
No, it doesn't hurt. It's just like very enthusiastic. You're just like...
Wait, you know what? I want to do one more thing.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna
Yeah, you can always go darker.
try a little more red
Ooh, yeah.
on the bottom.
Yeah.
This is just like painting on a 3D surface.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's time. Uh-oh. This is where I'm gonna screw up. Should I just like blot it a few places and use the sponge?
Yeah, or your finger.
Yeah.
Yeah, try not to get it in my mouth.
Alright, close your lips.
Alright, it looks creepier.
Nice.
I look more dead now.
Yes. Oh no, I think I know what I want to do.
Okay, what do you want to do?
Right. Don't laugh. You messed this up. Don't laugh. Don't do it.
Ooh! That's cool.
What are you doing with your eyebrows?
I have no idea. You know, I don't know how to move them. This is pretty cool. I look pretty scary. Should we do a face tour?
Oh, let's do a face tour. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
What do you think of your work?
It's beautiful. Oh man, from the side, it's even like more horrifying. Yeah, that looks great right there. Who is she? You really look like you're infected.
Brain. Views. Subscribers.
We need to do the mandatory narcissistic montage.
La 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 la. I can't. I can't like be singing too.
Thanks for hanging out with us while we try this new thing. It's a totally different style video and everything, so it's been a fun experiment.
Yeah, let us know if you like this kind of like non-project based video stuff.
Look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Let's go film.